Most Zimbabweans have strongly criticized the Themba Mliswa's attacks on Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. One author, Comrade Kema Kuku, argues that Mliswa's behavior is unacceptable, immature, and undermines the authority of both the president and the government. Salabira mashoko budanyu kwa pangwa inachins unpacking Themba Mliswa's attacks on General Chiwenga. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina pana pamu na ozeremo budanyu kwa mchinzi. Mliswa's attacks are widely seen as an attempt to discredit Chiwenga and weaken the anti-corruption drive. His outbursts resemble those of a madman chasing shadows. Themba Mliswa has long shown signs of mental instability, and this does not surprise many. His reckless lifestyle, including numerous sexual capabilities that have produced hundreds of children he cannot maintain, reflects his moral bankruptcy. Mliswa must realize that his instability is exposed in his self-glorification, calling himself guru, a label that celebrates immorality and a loose character. It is true that Mliswa's actions weaken national institutions and contradict the president's mandate. His motivations are clearly self-serving and aimed at deflecting scrutiny. As a nation, we must uphold respect for leadership and institutions. Zimbabweans should rally behind the vice president's anti-corruption efforts and align with the Vision 2030 agenda. The tone among citizens is assertive and critical, clearly in favor of the vice president and government's anti-corruption mission. Mliswa's behavior reflects that of a reckless man, whose the trail of fathered children remains the only evidence of his waywardness. In Zimbabwe's political context, Themba Mliswa's public criticism and accusations against Vice President Constantino Chiwenga have sparked controversy and raised concerns about undermining presidential authority. His conduct is viewed as an assault on presidency legitimacy in the ruling party's manifesto. Mliswa's uncontrolled outbursts risk straining relationships within the party. His actions damage ties between key figures in ZANU-PF and have the potential to destabilize government cohesion. He has become an agent of chaos. His runs serving only to erode his own credibility. His baseless accusations have widened party divisions and weakened unity within ZANU-PF. Mliswa has therefore become a symbol of instability and division. Doma shwarikuda pangwa inwe vanhu vachi komenda pamusoro pema-attacks ari kuitwa kuna VP Constantino Chiwenga aiwa naThemba Mliswa. Pinda comment section medu muzwa funguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like cheta on the bell icon.